Hello guys, Manoj here. In this video we are going to see how to upload high quality reels on Instagram like iPhone quality. Even if you don't have an iPhone, there is no problem with that. You can easily upload your videos with these simple steps. After doing much research, now this is the best solution for your uploading quality issues on Android phones. The first thing we have to download software called Shortcut Video Editor. This is really lightweight editing software, very user friendly, easy to use like mobile in short VN video editor. Type the shortcut video editor in the search bar and go through the website and click the download button. Installing the software will take a few minutes, so be patient for that. When you upload reels in Android, which is having poor optimization with an Android OS, that is why it is not like iPhone video quality. So we are doing this process easier with the Windows laptop, or you can use PC. After installing, run the software and follow these simple steps. First of all, click open and select the video file you want to upload to Instagram. Select H.264 high profile format. Click configure and check it is in H.264 NVENC format. Now you can change the Reels resolution to 9 by 16. In this codec section, you have to select the average bitrate. Then the bitrate quality should be 6 megabytes. And check its audio tab section having the same profile like this what I mentioned. Now click the export file and rename the video for your reference. You can see clearly it is exporting started on the right side corner. Now open the Google Chrome and open Instagram.com using your Chrome in PC. Now you can't able to see the upload button like Instagram mobile, so you have to tap the F12 key on the keyboard to enable the developer toolbox. Now at the top you can see the dimension response setting. I'm selecting iPhone 12 Pro. Click on that and click any device you want. If you don't find any devices, you can manually edit using the custom tab. You can also select your desired device. Now you can see the upload button. Click on that. Select the reels from your saved location and then now change the dimensions to responsive to view clearly. Select the Reels video resolution 9 by 16 for IGTV or normal post upload. You can select other two options. Click next and slide the track to select the cover photo, or you can upload it from your local drive. And click next and share the video. This is an easy way to upload. There is no need for professional editing softwares like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro for exporting these things. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.